my name's Joni. Welcome to my kitchen in Indiana. Today we are going to make a koozie for our water bottles. We're going to start with a sweater. This is a wool sweater that I've already run through the hot water and have felted. So take your sleeve. Just going to get an idea, lay your bottle down on it to see how far you want to cut it. And then I used a Sharpie marker and just the ring of a ball jar just to get a circle measurement. And I'm using this on a piece of felt. And any kind of felt will do. And just so it's up to you. Do you want it to coordinate with your sweater? Do you want it to stand out? I've got my circle drawn, so now I'm going to cut it out. The circle out with my scissors. Alright. Then take your sweater sleeve that you cut, turn it inside out. Start with if there's a little bit of ink left, put that on. And I'm just going to put a couple pins in just to hold it, to make it easier for me to sew. I just put about 4 just to kind of tack them together, just to keep the two pieces, the sweater and the felt, together. And then next part's up to you. You can either hand sew it or sew with a machine. If you sew it with a machine, you're just leaving a 1/4 seam allowance. So I just went ahead and threaded my needle. And I'm just going to do real simple stitches. And then just make them go through. And then you're just going to make them as small as you can, just so you have a really tight seal. So as you can see, just really loose stitches. And if you're using the machine, you probably just need to go around once. But if you're doing hand, I would go around twice, just to make sure you got extra sturdy. Because if your hand sewing is anything like mine, you might need 2 rounds just to make sure it's good and sturdy. So there you go. There's the idea. And then you'll turn it inside out, and there you go. The felt makes the bottom, the sleeves koozie. You just slide your water bottle in, and there you go. Now that's crafty. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next week on CraftyJoni.com. Thanks.